Welcome to Lee Does Stuff. So you're thinking about changing out your kitchen cupboards and you're on a fixed budget for the renovation and you've looked into it and you've probably noticed how much materials are and labor to rip out these cabinets and to put new ones in and to pay for the materials. It's very, very extensive. So I say, why not paint them? If you have good wood, like look at these shelves. They're they're really nice shape and they're real wood, so why not just paint them and give them an update from this old tired color? I really like using Command from Benjamin Moore. Advance is good too, but I think for cupboards and stuff like that, this Command is quite nice. And look at the result. So you get brand new cupboards for a very, very low cost from what it would be just to say you were to buy black cabinets. I mean, look at this. This looks really, really nice. You have a nice satin finish on these. You got new handles. I mean, what are handles? They don't really cost that much. And look at the results. And you completely transformed your kitchen. Put a little bit of paint on the walls, paint the ceiling, the walls, and redo these cabinets and cupboards. And look what you come up with. All right, let's just go split screen here and show a before and after in real time. Look at this. I mean, what a big difference, right? And literally, how much money you save is extraordinary. So consider paying a painter or do it yourself, but you can radically transform a space with some good prep and paint. If you're looking for an in-depth process on how to actually paint and attack a project like this, I will link videos.